promote soil health, enhance biodiversity, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to climate change mitigation and adaptation. Another way to improve agricultural productivity is by using precision farming techniques. Precision farming utilizes technology to analyze and monitor crops' performance and provide data-driven recommendations for optimizing inputs, such as water, fertilizer, and pesticides. By using precision farming, farmers can reduce costs, increase yields, and improve resource efficiency. This technology includes remote sensing, geographic information systems, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. These tools allow farmers to monitor crop growth and identify potential yield-limiting factors in real time, making informed decisions to improve productivity. Investing in research and development, R&D, is another critical way to improve agricultural productivity. R&D focuses on developing new technologies, plant varieties, and farming practices that are more efficient, resilient, and sustainable. For example, plant breeding programs can develop crop varieties that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and climate change. Moreover, R&D can develop innovative farming practices that enhance productivity, such as vertical farming, aquaponics, and hydroponics. These practices can produce high-quality crops using fewer resources and less space than traditional agriculture. Infrastructure development can also play a role in improving agricultural productivity. Infrastructure refers to the physical facilities, networks, and services that support agricultural production, such as roads, irrigation systems, storage facilities, and marketplaces. The availability and quality of infrastructure can affect farmers' ability to access inputs, reach markets, and obtain fair prices. Therefore, investing in infrastructure development can improve farmers' productivity and income, promote rural development, and support food security. Strengthening agricultural extension services can improve agricultural productivity by providing farmers with the knowledge, skills, and information they need to adopt innovative farming practices. Agricultural extension services are public or private organizations that provide training, technical assistance, and advisory services to farmers. These services can help farmers adopt new technologies, improve their management practices, and access markets. Extension services can also promote gender equality and social inclusion by reaching out to women and marginalized groups and addressing their specific needs. Agriculture is a complex and diverse sector that involves different types of production systems, crops, and livestock. To improve agricultural productivity, it is necessary to consider the specific challenges and opportunities faced by each system and adapt solutions accordingly. In this essay, we will explore additional methods for improving agricultural productivity that address specific aspects of the sector. Firstly, improving soil fertility is essential to ensure optimal crop growth and yield. Soil fertility can be improved through various methods, such as using organic fertilizers, crop rotation, cover cropping, and agroforestry. These methods enhance soil organic matter content, nutrient availability, and water retention, which promote healthy soil and plant growth. Furthermore, soil conservation practices, such as terracing, contouring, and bunding, can prevent soil erosion and degradation, maintain soil quality, and protect watersheds. Secondly, improving livestock productivity can increase food production and income for smallholders. Livestock productivity can be improved through various methods, such as improving animal health and nutrition, breed selection, and reproductive management.